Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Klarna on Dhgate. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Klarna and log into your Klarna account. So once you're logged into your Klarna account, you can either use your browser or your app, doesn't matter. So once I've logged in, so what you're going to do on the search bar here, you're going to search for Dhgate. So search for Dhgate. So when you search for Dhgate, so we're going to click on the Dhgate option here, the search result. So open it up. So this will open up the Dhgate website. So once you're on the Dhgate website, you just make sure to open these through Klarna, then only you'll be able to use Klarna on the Dhgate. So open it through the Klarna app. So now all you have to do is simply add any item to your cart and then go to the checkout option. So once you've added once you've added an order to your cart and everything, all you have to do is simply press this tap this Klarna option here. So when you tap this Klarna option here, so this will take you to the Klarna checkout page where you'll be able to check out with Klarna, and that's how you can use Klarna on Dhgate. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.